So we got this rare special weather statement, so we're trying to record.
Tuesday through Wednesday, the current through tonight. Strong gradient winds associated with the back edge of precipitation band will continue through 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, radar and surface observations indicated strong gusty winds developing behind a storm system along the line extending from near Blairsville to near Marietta to near the I-20 Welcome Center west of Bremen. This area was moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, strong gusty winds up to 40 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, strong winds have developed behind a storm system. Expect an increased potential for downed trees and power lines, along with blowing around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Marietta, Rome, Douglasville, Carrollton, Canton, Cartersville, Calhoun, Dallas, Cedartown, Cumming, Dahlonega, Jasper, Dawsonville, Ellijay, Buck Canyon, Mountain Park, City of South Fulton, Sandy Springs, and Roswell. People outdoors should seek shelter immediately. Gusty winds expected on Thursday and Friday. Strong winds are expected across East Tennessee, Southwest Virginia, and Southwest North Carolina on Thursday and Friday as a strong low-pressure system moves across the region. Wind gusts of around 40 miles per hour are expected across the plateau and valley, and when combined with wet soil, down trees and power outages will be possible. Secure loose objects around your house. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio and local media for further details and forecast updates.